Welcome to the Golden Family. Haven't been filming much because it's been hot and I've just been lazy. But I thought I'd show you our little brief break from the heat. It's raining hard.
Cold.
It's a cold rain, my wife says, but we need it. Yes, I never thought I'd say Missouri needs the rain. A lot of the highways have been reopened up. There's only one major highway closed, and that's US 65. Probably going to rain most of the night. Radar made it look like there's going to be really nasty rain. But Cody's doing just fine. He's just being ornery and he's getting used to his medicines and all that, I think, and just finding the right dosage for him, I guess. I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul sometime. I'll probably bring it in tomorrow or something during the day and watch Dakota try to get into stuff and show you how difficult it is to shop sometimes. I think that's what I'll do. We got this new printer because it was cheaper to get a new printer than to get the ink cartridges. That's pretty bad, huh? Steam coming off the road. It's raining moderately, I guess, and all that. What? That's a heavy rain. My indoor-outdoor cat's outdoors right now. He's going to come in smelly later, probably. Yep, Teddy's decided to stay outside. He's been staying around the house, though. But yeah, this is what we've been doing. My wife's still trying to adjust to her medicine. Yeah, it's still relatively warm outside, but it's cooler off compared to what it was. You know it's hot when your air conditioning doesn't keep up with the heat. Now listen to the rain. But yeah, the girls have been just doing what the girls been doing. Nikita finally helped with the lawn mowing and got her phone back. So that's a pretty good plus. This rain will make the grass grow. I guess that's a negative for us. But yeah. This is the first rain we've had in about, what, 3 weeks maybe? And I think I ran out of things to say, so I think I'll be checking out for right now. This is Golden Family. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.